if you really, really want it. Ain't nobody had to tell me grind hard. Okay, never will I give up on my dreams, I kinda need those. Running in that sun and it's hotter than some Cheetos. They was chasing rappers, I was chasing my dog Hito. And we could bet some money, he faster than your Bebo. Whole lot of blood, sweat and tears. Can't forget them nights when we had to face our fears. All the places you would go when the finish line near. But the children of the ghetto, that's just something they don't hear.
What it take, gang? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back with my first cooking video. Nah, sorry, that was corny. But look though, I'm back with my first cooking video today. You feel me? Y'all might not know I could cook, but today I'm finna be cooking. You feel me? So look though, look, I told y'all in this kitchen, I'm finna be getting it. I'm finna be getting it real good. So right now, let me show y'all everything that I got. Let me set it up real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all everything I got and what you will need to make. As you can tell by the title, I'm making some fettuccine Alfredo, shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. So you feel me? I'm feeling like Tarzan today. You feel me? I'm on my Tarzan today. You feel me? So yeah, let me just show y'all what it is.
Alright y'all, so I got this set up. You feel me? What you will need? First, you will need some noodles. Alright, so I got some penne noodles, penne. It's called penne noodles. And I got 2 boxes because I'm making a lot of it. And I got, you know, you never go wrong with the great value, you feel me? I got some great value classic Alfredo, the great value. You feel me? You gotta represent. Then I got me some medium shrimp, you feel me? Some medium raw, peeled, deveined, tailed on, whatever. Some shrimp. Really, you can use whatever you want, chicken, shrimp, whatever you got. Then I got me some Parmesan cheese, you feel me? I got me some Parmesan. Then I got me some garlic. Some minced garlic. This is optional. Then your seasonings are optional, what you want to choose, because everybody got a different taste. So I got me some onion powder, lemon pepper. You gotta have lemon pepper. Garlic. You feel me? You gotta never go wrong with garlic. Well, me, I never go wrong with garlic. Last but not least, the Cajun. The Cajun, you add a little spice to it. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab a bowl and you want to actually, you feel me, clean the shrimp. So that's all right, y'all. So I got my bowl. So now I'm gonna just open this shrimp up. Then you would need a knife. Let me open this up.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. Cut it open just like that. All right. Pour it in a nice bowl. You see? Mine's still a little bit frozen. So I'm gonna add a little water on it. Mine's a little bit frozen. Now I just want to like clean the shrimp, take the tails off, and get the doodle out. If you don't know what I mean by doodle, I mean this inside, this little line right there. Yeah, you gotta get that out. So now I'm gonna just, fast forward this, and I'm gonna get all the doodle out of the shrimp. And yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all me taking out all of the shrimp out of cleaning all the shrimp, because that's just gonna be a waste of footage. So I'm gonna be back with y'all when I'm done doing this and then all of this. Alright, y'all, I'm finished. I got the shrimp cleaned and the tails off and everything, however you wanna say it. But before I start cooking, I just wanna say, I am not a trained professional. I'm not a chef or anything in cooking. I just want to let y'all know that. Do not leave no negative comments, because if you got a tip for me, you could comment down below. Anything, if I made a mistake, anything, you could comment, leave me a tip. But if you have anything negative to say about my cooking, like I can't cook or whatever, I'm not a trained professional. So do not leave your hate somewhere else. Leave a negative comment somewhere else. That's on period. Period. You feel me? Nah, but on a serious note, yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. I ain't with all that extra negativities, okay? So, with that being said, let's just get into the video.
Alright, so now that I got it all cleaned up, what I want to do is seasoning. So, I'm going to add, first things first, I add some garlic. Tablespoon of garlic. Tablespoon of onion powder. Ooh, that thing went everywhere if y'all saw that. Onion powder. However much lemon pepper you want to add. I really like lemon pepper, so I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons. I think that was, I don't know. Alright, and I got kids that's eating this, so I'm not going to add too much Cajun. So I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of Cajun. Now I'm going to mix this up with my clean hands. By the way, I washed my hands. Y'all didn't see that on camera, but I washed them. So I'm going to mix this up with my clean hands. Mix it up. Nice and up. Alright, that looked about right. That looked about right. Smells nice, you feel me? So we're gonna leave that there. Let that sit there while we put our
Okay guys, so over here I got my pot filled with water. I'm gonna put that on high heat. As you can see here, I'm gonna put it on high heat. Wrong one. High heat right here. And we're gonna wait for that to boil. We're gonna add a little salt. We're gonna add some salt up in there. Some salt. And we're gonna add some oil. So let me get the oil. So you're gonna add some salt and you're gonna have like a little bit of oil. And we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait for that to boil up. So I'll be back with y'all when that starts boiling. And our shrimp is still over here sitting. That's gonna marinate so it can be nice and good and seasoned. So I'll be back with y'all when that starts boiling. All right, before we get any further into this video, I just want to say y'all need to like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss the upload. Okay, if you like what I'm uploading, if you don't want to miss an upload, you feel me, subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, and yeah, comment what you want to see next, and also comment, I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, just comment and like the video and subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. On the road to 200 subscribers. Okay, we gonna get there. I'm on the grind. I'm dropping videos every week, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm out. I was finna say I'm out. I'm not out. We still waiting on the thing to boil. So yeah, I was finna say I'm out. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all. So I'm adding broccoli in it. So I need to get the broccoli. I forgot to show y'all that I'm adding broccoli in it. So yeah, our water is over here boiling. So now we finna add in the noodles, okay?
I need to add some more water for now. So let me add some more water. I didn't think it would be that much noodles, y'all. That's a lot of noodles. Alright, so let's just stir this up. Stir this up nice so it won't stick. So we just gonna leave that and stir it consistently so it won't stick to the bottom. Now, it's time to make the shrimp. That sounded a little weird. But yeah, let's just make the shrimp. Look at this. For the sauce, we gonna need this. Black pepper. This is accent. If y'all don't know what accent is, I'll leave a picture up for y'all. So yeah, accent. Italian seasoning, if y'all don't have this, you don't have to add it. Italian seasoning and sazon. If you don't know what sazon is, this is the one in the bottle, but the one that everybody uses, well, not everybody, but this. So, yeah, this is sazon. Some people have that one, and others have this one. So, yeah, they're all the same thing. You can add that. So, yeah, that's the stuff we're going to need for the sauce. I forgot to show y'all that. So, yeah, before we even start the shrimp, I'm going to just put these, oh, my bad. So, before we even start the shrimp, I'm going to just put these inside of the microwave to like steam them a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the microwave real quick. Oh yeah, I baked a cake yesterday. A nice chocolate cake. Some people don't like chocolate, I don't know why. But yeah, let's take that out and put the broccoli in. It says microwave, place frozen broccoli in stages. 2 to 3 for the water, cook, fry. Yeah, I don't do all of that. I just throw it in there, boom, close it, boom, and we're gonna put it for like 6 minutes. So 6, 0, 0. Start. Yeah, leave that in there. Now let's get ready to make our shrimp. Alright y'all, so I just want to let y'all know that when I'm cooking my shrimp, I usually use garlic butter, but I don't have garlic butter. So today I'm just be using some oil. So we're going to put this on a medium high heat. So I'm going to put that on 8. And we're going to add some oil up in there. You don't really need a lot of oil, you just need like that much. That should be enough. So we're gonna let that, let that oil heat up in there a little bit. You feel me? So y'all remember to keep stirring this up, because remember you don't want it to stick to the bottom. So keep stirring this up. Keep stirring this up. Yeah, it's starting to boil up. So just keep stirring it. Alright? So our oil is over here. You want to use like a spatula, or whatever you got. I'm gonna use a spatula. I love using spatulas. I don't know why. So I got my spatula, and what we will be adding is the minced garlic. So I'm gonna get a fork so I can take this garlic one out of there. But yeah, still waiting on this to heat up.
Alright y'all, so I don't know if this is hot, but If it is, it's worth it ain't. I'm finna add this garlic up in there, so let me get some garlic. Add in there. Yep, we got it. So you have, that's about a teaspoon of garlic. So you're gonna add that up in there. Stir it around. And let that cook up. Want it to cook up. Garlic always gives the food a nice flavor. And remember over here, I'm still stirring this up over here. Still stirring it up. Still stirring it up. Alright. Alright. It looks good enough. So now you want to add in your shrimp. Add in them shrimp. Stir it up. Let it cook up in there. Y'all, so I'm a lemon pepper fan, so I'm going to add a little more lemon pepper, y'all. I'm a real lemon pepper fan.
So if y'all know how to cook shrimp, then y'all know you're not supposed to cook it too long because it will get real rubbery. So we're going to cook that for about 10 minutes. Because as you can see, shrimp cooks very fast. It's already starting to cook. Oh, if y'all hear that, that means our broccoli is done. So let's check on the broccoli. And this over here is still boiling up. Ooh, steaming up the camera. Okay, okay. Steaming up the camera. I don't like that. Still stirring it up. Let's get our strainer. Get the strainer ready. Put this in here. Yeah. Yeah. There. Yeah. Sure. Y'all, I'm used to multitasking. So if y'all say I'm doing too much stuff at once, I'm really not. I'm really good at multitasking. So that's cooking. Let's check on broccoli. It's real hot. Let's take this up. And here I am. I'm gonna pour this broccoli in this bowl right here. Yeah, I know it was raw shrimp in here, but I'm still gonna pour it in because y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do with that. Woo! That's exactly why I don't add water, guys, because they're frozen vegetables. And they say take it, and on the directions they say take it out and add water in here and put it in the microwave. I don't need to add water because it's frozen. If y'all get what I'm saying, I don't know if y'all get that, but yeah. I'm gonna keep stirring up this shrimp over here. I don't know why I feel like it's gonna be a long video, y'all. I'm trying to make it as short as possible. Or yeah, I know it's getting quite thin over here. Let me test that out. Test one of these out. Yeah, I do test my noodles. I'll take it out and. Ooh, shit, that's hot. Yeah.
Take it out. Ooh, that's quite dark. And I eat it. Yep, they're done. So we're gonna turn this off right here. Turn it off. Turn it off. And we're gonna pour in our
noodles over here. I don't know if y'all can see. Alright, y'all can see. So we're gonna pour our noodles in over here. Woohoo! Get all the noodles out of there. Our shrimp over there done. So let's go back over there to our shrimp.
Put this on a high, and we're gonna add in our sauce. Okay, I got most of it out, but I add water. sauces.
So heat that up to a boil. So we're gonna wait for this to get a little hot.
Alright, so it seems like it's hot enough. So now I'm gonna add in this. Add that in. Stir it up. It looks watery, but when they get on the food, well, it looks watery, but when I'm done, y'all gonna see it's not gonna look watery. So add this. Add a little bit of this. This is salty. Let that get heated up. And over here, we're gonna add these inside of a big old bowl. If you don't have a bowl, you could use a big pot to mix this up. So right now, watch me. I just want to let y'all know in the video it's probably some clips with no sound because I don't know what happened to the audio, like, and some of them people was talking, so I had to like mute them, but others I don't know what happened to the sound. So in some of the clips it might be like muted. So make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. You feel me? I just ate. That thing was real good. You feel me? That thing was that thing was A1. Let me show y'all this, bro. Like, y'all seen how full it is. Look at it now. Empty. Empty. Bro, it's gone. They ate it all. So y'all make sure y'all make this. Make sure y'all make it. It's real good. This is my plate right here. Clean plate. Before and after. Before and after. So yeah. Y'all, if y'all like this video, like. Alright? I love all y'all. And I'm out. You feel me?